Okay, I'm shooting this video just to demonstrate. I see a lot of people out there explaining what they have in their kits. I'm just going to go through what I have, what's essential to me, a few things that always help me out in an installation. I'm a kitchen installation here in Austin, Texas. Um, been doing it for quite a bit. Okay, let's start with this bottom drawer. I have some shims, all different types, sizes that I have for any kind of installation needs. Picked it up in a couple guides on YouTube. Some sandpaper, glue, of course, a couple colors for touch up. Second drawer is fasteners, all type of different little things that may come in handy. My dog there. Little clamps, hooks. And my top drawer is probably the most important. It has all different types of screws that I might need. Little small ones, big ones, and I can take out these cases and walk with them if I really need to. Above that, I have my little Craig jig setup. On top of that, I have this guy, an insert I made it myself with all the necessary uh, cut-off tools, sanding block, long screwdriver to reach those attachments in the back, chisels, planes, glue, just all the needs. Also, that I always have with me is my CT MIDI, because you always need a vacuum to do some cleaning up. It's been with me for about, I don't know, maybe 10 years or maybe less. Then also in this kit, I have some hole saws, some gauges, handy Allen keys, some measuring tools, one of my favorite, picked it up from another YouTuber, and also another Festool toolbox that I always have, my pouch, pencils, screwdriver, Festool, ruler, the Festool ruler, and this little gadget I picked up recently. It's awesome. It is really awesome. I enjoy that very much. And in my quick pouch over here, I have necessary things that I need on a quick couple bags, airbags, also some 2P10, some quick grip glue, some caulk, quick clamps. I have another set of clamps, but these ones are right handy when I need them. And most of all, the must-have, this guy, my laser, Festool radio, my light, of course, very handy, and my favorite setter, PDI 18, PDX, PDC, and my CXS, which is must have. And also, I have a drawer section under that, which provides with everything. I have my drills, all my attachments, everything I need, my Festool bits in here, all my hole sinks, countersinks, all the bits, and basically this is the must-have that I always have with me, which I usually always have everything anyway, because it's all in the back of my van. But everything here I need to make sure that you know that the job goes well, and I have everything that I need. So thanks for watching. Keep following. See what else I come up with.